going to the top. And like you got the streets on lock, don't stop. Hey, go get the mop. That boy talking crazy, man. He need to stop. Put up on him, see your body drop. Skylar said, boy, he was like, he hit him with the Uzi. Fucked around and had to hit him with the doozy. You got to take a snoozy. Yeah, that nigga sleep. Sexy bitch, you like, he's so weak. Like, goddamn, bitch, you the freak. Yeah. Riding down the mile. Hey, these niggas want my style. Been doing this shit for a while. Freestyling so wild. Ron Artest. Pull up to the club and flex. She like, got for you next. All you fucking do is you fucking flex. King of the jungle, I'm a T-Rex. I'm the coldest nigga ever.